Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my own recipe of Zobo, Folere, Bissap. This is just a nice refreshing drink that you take any time of the day. You can take it hot or cold depending on you. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this drink, and stay tuned if you're trying to find that. I'll see you guys next time. Ginger, as we all know, is very nutritive. Ginger may fight germs, illness, inflammation, and cancer-causing molecules. Add this to your Folere and thank me later. A main ingredient, which is the dried hibiscus flower, can be gotten or bought from either Amazon or a local African grocery store. It's usually really cheap and affordable, so just check in the store and get yours from there. Instead of using water and pineapple fruit, I decided to go with 100% pineapple juice because I like my Folere concentrated with like just the goodness of like pineapple juice. So try it out. In an empty pot, pour your dry hibiscus and add your 100% pineapple juice, or if you're using water, make sure you add your water and your pineapple fruit at this point. Please, if you've been watching up to this point, please do me a big favor and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn your post notification bell on. That way, whenever I post a video, you're the first person to be notified when a video goes up on my channel. Thank you. So I'm just adding my ginger to my Folere right now. If you have ground ginger ready, you can feel free to add it in it. My Folere has been boiling for 20 minutes right now. You can let it sit before you remove the flowers from the liquid, but just use a colander to separate your liquid and your leaves. And you can either drink it hot or cold depending on what you like. So I'm dropping some ice into my cup and I'm about to taste it for you guys. I'm going to be adding a little bit of sugar because my lips like sugar. My lips like sugar. Oh no, yeah, add some sugar into it. You can either use stevia or honey, or you can drink it like that. I was actually gonna drink it like that, but my cousins told me that a diabetes patient don't even do it like that. So I had to add up a little bit of sugar to make it sweet for them. But here is the end of this video. You can see that I enjoyed it. You can tell that this Folere was amazing. So if you're looking for the perfect Folere, Bissap, hibiscus drink, sorrel drink to make, don't forget to click on this video because you're gonna make the best. I'll see you guys in my next video, and please don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, loves.